I talked a little bit about embedding your Google form onto a website, but I want to show you how I can do it easily with Google Sites. I'm going to go a little bit fast, but don't worry because I go into it in detail in my complete course on Google Sites. I have my Google site all built, and I'm logged in to the same account, that is, the same Google account. So my form is going to be available for me to insert right here. I'll start by changing to this special application page that I've already built, ready for the form. Now I can click on Insert, and among all the other Google products I can insert, Forms is here as an option. And because I'm logged in as the same user, I get the option to easily in one click insert my Wisdom Pets adoption application. I can stretch it out. I'll change the color scheme so it matches the site just a little bit better. And here it is. If I go and preview this, here I can see my application, minus the header file, is all ready to be filled out without having to leave my Wisdom Pets website. If you have WordPress, your best option is to install a plugin that will allow you to put in your Google form. If your website supports iframe, you can always embed it. If I click the Send button, the last option is to embed the website as an iframe. So if you aren't sure, look up and see if your website supports that. Then it's just a matter of selecting this link and embedding it directly into your site.